Turning on low power mode on your iPhone 16 helps extend your battery life when you're running low on power by temporarily reducing background activities and some visual effects. Here's how it's done. To get started, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Battery. In the Battery menu, find Low Power Mode from the given options. Finally, toggle the switch to turn low power mode on or off. When enabled, you'll notice the battery icon in the status bar turns yellow. Some background activities are also paused and some visual effects are reduced. The 5G feature is also disabled when low power mode is turned on, unless you're streaming video. This iPhone feature is particularly useful when you're low on battery and need to extend your device's usage time. It temporarily reduces power consumption by limiting background app refresh, automatic downloads, and some visual effects. Your iPhone will automatically turn off low power mode when the battery level reaches 80% on charge. Note that while this mode extends battery life, it may affect the performance of some apps and features. It's designed as a temporary measure until you can fully charge your device. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.